Hello friends, and thank you for joining me again in my kitchen. Today I have a very exciting recipe for you. We'll be making sauteed mushrooms with spinach. I have the ingredients right in front of me. Let me show you what we have before we get started. So what we have here is about 3 cups of sliced mushrooms, about 3 cups of baby spinach, about a cup of red cherry tomatoes cut in half, about 3/4 of a cup of red onions, about half a tablespoon of minced garlic, and we have a little bit of chili pepper, a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of black pepper, and about half a tablespoon of salt. And we'll be assembling this. This is another recipe that can be done in under 10 minutes. All right, so we are ready to make our sauteed mushroom and spinach dish. We have a skillet. It's heated to medium heat, and we're going to put some olive oil, about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half, and then we will add our onions and cook it for about 45 seconds. Add our garlic, stir it for another 45 seconds or so, and then we'll add the mushrooms. Give them a nice stir so that they can be coated with the onions and the garlic, and cook the mushrooms until they are almost tender. This will take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. All right, after the mushrooms are nice and tender, we will add the cherry tomatoes and cook for about another minute. And in about a minute after you've put the tomatoes, that's when you're going to put the seasoning. We have the salt, turmeric, red chili pepper, and black pepper. And the turmeric and the chili pepper is optional. You can choose not to include them. Stir it in until it's all mixed well with the mushroom and the tomatoes, and give it about 30 seconds or so. The last thing we want to put in is our baby spinach, and this won't take long to cook. It will take about a minute or so to cook down, and we're done. You can serve your sauteed mushroom and spinach with a side of rice or bread.